This is the Rickard Wide Wall Thermostat. It comes with an 8-meter RJ12 cable. The two will be shipped together. We pre-configure the wall stat to be either degrees C or degrees F. If you should order the wrong version, then it is possible to change it to either C or F using the Rickard MLM software. So when you get the wall stat, it comes in this box. You'll get the wall stat, looks like that, and it also comes with a installation guide for mounting. The wall thermostat has a large LCD display to display the temperature, set point, and the modes that it is currently in. So you'll notice on either side of the thermostat there are two buttons. On the right hand side, as you're looking at the wall thermostat, are the up and down temperature set point buttons. You can increase or decrease the temperature by using them. And then on the left hand side is a menu button at the top and an enter button below. The menu button gives you access to more advanced features, and the enter allows you to enter an input based on your selection on the right hand side. To install the wall stat to the wall, it will be necessary to remove the faceplate from the back plate so that you can attach the back plate to the wall securely with these screw connection points. You will use the screws provided if necessary, and you will need to detach the plate. The easiest way to detach the plate is by squeezing the grey Rickard plate at the bottom, like so, and pulling on the bottom part of the faceplate, lightly like that, twisting it, and then it will come apart. Then you will have the back plate accessible. And then you can connect the screws to one of those 4 points, align it correctly. The two center connection points are slotted and at a 45-degree angle to allow adjustment of height and angle. So once you've plugged the diffuser end of the cable in, you'll want to route the 8-meter cable across the ceiling, down through some trunking through the wall and out through the draw box. You do need to be careful not to damage the RJ12 connector during this process, as it will affect the operation of the product. So if you're going to pull the cable through, rather attach whatever you're using to pull it through higher up on the cable. Maybe tape the RJ12 connector closed so it doesn't get damaged, and that will ensure the product works nicely. So then pull it out of the draw box. If the cable is installed before painting contractors are going to paint, then you might want to leave that tape on there, or remind them not to paint over the connector, because of course if any of the electrical connections are painted over, they will not work and you will have problems, so bear that in mind. Okay, so then mount the back plate as described, feed the cable through this central hole and connect it to the front plate. The front plate has an RJ connection, so, and then just clip the faceplate back onto the unit. There's no real method for that, you just need to apply force around the entire perimeter. So that concludes the physical installation of the wall thermostat. To complete the installation, you will need to commission the product and activate it on the software. The software needs to know what is doing the sensing and which diffuser should be the master. So I will explain that in another video. Thank you.